Hi guys, it's Janet Wakeland with remarkablycreated.com. I want to take a few moments to show you how easy it is to take advantage of the Join special available to everyone during the month of August. This special is in effect through August 31st. And I mean, who wouldn't want $155 of product for just $99 with free shipping and product that you get to customize and select yourself? So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to visit my website, janetwakeland.stampinup.net, and it's on the screen there for you, and it's also linked below in the comments for you. You're going to click on Join the Fun. You're going to come down to the middle of the page, click Join Now. You're going to review the agreements and then acknowledge them and hit Continue. You're going to put a little dot here where it says Starter Kit. The starter kit code, you would only have a code if you had been the host of an event and earned host dollars and had selected applying them to a kit instead of to free product. So select no, that's going to be 99% of you. Choose free supply pack. Of course, we want free stuff, but the reason why you want the supply pack, regardless of why you're joining, is because it comes with 8 holiday catalogs and 8 annual catalogs that you get to share with family and friends. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to start to build your kit. And what's really cool is it's going to count down and do the math for you. So you can kind of drop something in, pull it back out, all of those kinds of things. If you're looking for holiday catalog merchandise, you have 2 ways to find it. You want to enter the code right from the catalog in here, or you can simply come down here and search all, and then you can start to look for holiday catalog product. And you can go ahead and here I can click add. Let's go to page 3. Let's see if there's something here. The tag kit will pull that up, look at a little bit more detail. Yep, I want that. And you're just going to kind of keep working your way through adding the items until you reach 155. Now you cannot go over, and there is no value in going over. If there's things that you want more than $155, within a few minutes of joining, you'll be able to shop from yourself, saving 20%, and even being the hostess of an event so that you could earn free host rewards as well, too. If looking at all of the holiday items online this way through the all is a little tedious, contact me for a copy of the catalog, and I will work with you to make sure that you have that to view so that you can go ahead and sign up a little bit easier. I'd also like to talk with you about any questions that you might have. As a new demonstrator, your first quarter won't be till October, November, December. This is our best time of the year, I believe, to be a demonstrator. So much crafting happens during the holiday season, from Halloween to beautiful table decors and tablescapes for Thanksgiving to, of course, all the things that we like to do for the Christmas and winter holidays. So I would love to have you on my team. I would be honored to be your upline, and I would love to help you take advantage of this amazing great deal this month. Any questions at all, simply put them in the comments below, and I look forward to helping you get happily involved with Stampin' Up. Thanks, guys.